Hey dolls and friends, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michon and I do weekly farmhouse inspired DIYs using majority of Dollar Tree and other affordable items. But if you're not new, this is regular for you. Hey doll, hey. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my holiday home tour for Christmas. Now, a few of you have asked here on YouTube and also over on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I do share a lot of times when I do go shopping and I find great deals. I share them with you all and kind of give an idea. And I kind of share and give an idea of where I'm going to put it at in my home. So I was really happy to bring to you guys a different kind of video for my channel, but something I think that you guys would all appreciate. Super happy to share my minimalistic farmhouse decor, farmhouse chic kind of style. So with this video, I'm not really going to do a voiceover. I'm just going to give you a quick home tour of everywhere in my home, starting from outside, leading on to my foyer, my sitting room, my dining room, and then my kitchen and my living room to see my decor style and how I have everything set up. Again, like I said, I'm pretty minimalistic when it comes to putting a bunch of stuff around my home. I really love how everything turned out and I'm just happy with the look of everything. So I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what your home decor style is. If you go all out, put something on every wall, or you have tons of tiered trays. I am starting to get into tiered trays a lot, so I have one practically on each table that I have. I'm also starting to get into lanterns a lot, but yeah, just let me know. I think it'd be fun to know. If you're new and love what you see, but also love home decor DIYs on a budget and love just a crazy clan that I have, I would also love if you would consider subscribing and hitting the bell right next to it so you're notified every time that I upload. You're only gonna get authentic content from me. All right, dolls, let's go ahead and jump right in.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Merry Christmas! We hope that you all have a wonderful, safe, and amazing Christmas with your family this year. And cheers to 2022!
What? What 22?
Isaiah, what are you doing? Oh, yeah. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michon, and I do weekly Farmhouse. No, stop. Okay. Let me do this real quick. Okay. Wait. Give me a second. Go count to 10. Keep counting. So in today's I don't even remember where I stopped at.
I don't know, I got used to it.
Keep counting, Isaiah.
Baby shark do do do, baby shark do do do, baby shark do do do, baby shark.
Okay. That's it. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say see you later.
Bye-bye, baby shark.
Bye-bye, baby shark.
Bye-bye, baby shark. Guys,
Merry Christmas!